So please excuse the rumbling, but unfortunately the air unit is on and it is extremely loud, and I can't decide if it's just loud because my hearing aids are turned up or if it is really that loud. So I apologize, but it is a scorcher out today. So I want to share with you guys, so I had a meal that rolled over from the last meal plan. So, you know, I had my rigatoni I was going to make with Texas toast. And then we didn't eat the sausage and the sauerkraut for this past week. So what I did is when we had to eat today, which today is Monday, I took the leftover hamburger meat that I had and took the sausage out of the casings, and I made my rigatoni that way. And it was delicious with whole wheat rotini noodles. It was really, really good. Served it with Texas toast, and that is what we ate today. I still have the kraut, but I'm going to hold on to that because that won't go bad. It's in a glass jar and it's sealed. So we have fajitas one day, and note that this may change up and not be in this order. And I realize that my handwriting is not that good and things may be misspelled, but just so that I kind of have a brief idea and know that I am ordering enough food to get through the week, that is all that matters. So I had leftover chicken from the last Aldi order, and so all I needed was some peppers and some various things to make my fajitas. Ronnie loves the fajitas, so we're going to do that. We're going to have cube steak and gravy, red potatoes, and he likes my broccoli and cheese. We're going to do that. We're going to do burgers one night with tater tots. We are going to do taco chili and cheese. And that kind of brings me to the kraut thing. I had bought a couple packs of hot dogs last week, and so I ordered some hot dog buns. So I thought what I could do is just do some hot dogs, and we'll have the leftover taco chili, which is absolutely delicious on hot dogs. Ronnie loves it. So we can have a choice between taco chili on our hot dogs or the kraut. So that will be good, and we'll do that one night. Then I ordered another thing of fish sticks. Guys, I cannot get through a week. I'm hoping he gets burned out on fish sticks at some point in time, but Ronnie loves those fish sticks. We are going to have that. Tartar sauce I could not order, so I'm going to have to make it myself. Aldi says that tartar sauce is a seasonal item, which I don't exactly get if they sell fish all the time. So, Aldi, please make tartar sauce a regular thing. I just made my orange salad yesterday, so if you've seen last week's meal plan, you will know what I'm talking about. I made the peanut butter cookies. However, I did not make the eclair cake, which will roll over to this week. So we will have that, and I'm also hoping, keep your fingers crossed, I'm going to make some homemade sugar cookies. It's been a while, and I've been kind of in a cookie kind of making mood lately. I think it's because I feel fall coming on. You guys feel fall? I feel fall. Anyways, this is my meal plan. I made my order, and I'm waiting for them to deliver, and then I will certainly share with you what I purchased from Aldi's and show it to you. Just made my Aldi order. Thanks for shopping with Aldi. So I'm glad that that is finally done. I'm going to share with you guys my meal plan. Okay, my Aldi order was just delivered, and now I'm going to share with you guys what I purchased. And Ronnie's all excited because he knows there's snacks in here for him. Aren't you, baby?
I'm excited about it all. The meat, the snacks,
all of it.
The chicken, the vegetables.
There's no chicken. I didn't order any chicken this time.
Well,
but there's some in the freezer from last time, so you're covered.
Well, there's lots of goodie things.
There is.
Some goodies in there.
We got some mini peppers. Those are going to go in my fajitas because I love the way that those taste. Got 3 dozen eggs. These are the large eggs.
Let me give us them fried potatoes of the morning.
Oh, my. And then the Clubhouse crackers. I shouldn't even let him know what I got.
Good with the cream cheese.
Shush. We got the Jiffy corn muffin mix. I got 2 of those. Thing of trash bags for upstairs. 2 things of orange juice. Thing of black beans. No, these are the kidney beans. I've got black beans too somewhere. Got my coffee creamer, the hazelnut. Really like it. 2nd week in a row I've ordered that one. Got the wavy potato chips, the plain style original potato chips, a bag of red potatoes, 2 things of bacon, because Ronnie can't live without bacon. We got the potato puffs, better known in the United States as tater tots. We got 2 things of the cube steak. Really like their cube steak, and it tastes really good and cooks up really well too. Like the way they package it.
Nice and moist.
Yeah, you like it.
I love it.
We got breaded fish sticks.
We love that.
Can't go a week without these, and one day you will eventually burn out on
No, I
them.
won't. That makes me smarter.
Smart. Got a thing of blueberries. I think I'm going to try to make some blueberry waffles this week again. 2 things of the imperial butter, sticks of butter. 2 things of the hamburger meat. Somebody made a comment, said they hadn't seen the ground turkey that I usually buy. Don't worry, you will see it again. Just our stores have been out of it. So, I got some, what do I got here? I've got some whole kernel corn in a can, and let's see, these might be my black beans. Yep, my black beans, and my crushed pineapple. And now I'm going to carry this in and I'll show you the rest. Okay, for the rest of the food, I got some heavy whipping cream because I thought I might make some potato soup at some point in time, and if not, I can use this, and the lid fell off of it. That's odd. At some time, I could even turn this into some whipped cream to go on dessert if I don't use it, so we're all good there. So now I've got a couple things of the broccoli stir-fry vegetables. These are the frozen. I got 2 bags of that. And trust me, you put enough cheese on it, you don't even know you're eating a vegetable. Then we got some of this chive and onion cream cheese, and I don't know anybody who likes that. Is that you, honey?
Oh, I love it.
I know it. That's why I got that for you. Got a couple things of the ranch seasoning. I put this in my taco chili. I've got taco seasoning, got chili seasoning, brown gravy seasoning, and I bought extras of each one because I'm tired of ordering it every week. So I'm going to put this in my drawer in the kitchen, and I'll have those on hand. What is a grocery haul without my signature rice pudding? Whoever has invented this, I love you. Thank you very much, because this is my favorite thing out of everything that I got from Aldi. Love, love that, and Ronnie knows it. We got some Mexican style blend cheese, and let's see, I think they're all Mexican style. Yep, I got 3 of these. And then 2 gallons of milk. This is the whole milk, and that is the end of my Aldi haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything. So I wipe it all down out here, and then I put it in this laundry basket and carry it in the house. Actually, that isn't all. I've got bread. I'll be back. Forgive the rattling behind me, but you know, we live next to a street. Anyways, these are the tortillas that I love. I like them because they are burrito style, and I can get a lot of stuff in these, and Ronnie can hold them more easily and eat them, and they're less mess, right?
The big ones, right?
The big ones.
You can toast them too.
Yes, you can toast those. And I got 3 loads. I said loads because it's in a laundry basket, like I did 3 loads of bread. Anyways, 3 loaves of bread right here, and a hot dog bun, and that is all I purchased. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this Aldi haul. Hope you are doing fantastic. If you enjoy these Aldi hauls, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and remember, I upload every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye, guys.